Hey guys, it's Jared Cook here today at the Perry Company, and we're going to check out this KX040 that Zimmer Kubota allowed us to rent for a couple of days. And what we've done is we've gone ahead and we've made a dual-sided scratch-resistant polycarbonate replacement for the upper and the lower. Let's check these out. All right guys, so now we're going to take an in-depth look. We're going to look at the lower piece and the upper piece as well, both of which come in a couple of different formats. So you can get, they're both 1/2 inch dual-sided scratch resistant, but you can get clear or you can get tinted, which is a 50% tint, can still see out of it, but helps block some of those UV rays from coming in. Now on this lower piece, it's a simple drop-in piece, really simplistic to replace and install. And then up top, for the guys who are familiar with this unit, you know that there is a curvature to the framework of this unit. And in order to save costs so that we're not driving the price up, we've found a way during install to take a flat piece of poly and clamp our way to that curvature, and then we install the mechanical fastening system, which is made out of 14 gauge powder coated steel. We tighten the fasteners up to the poly to the frame of the unit, and it creates a really strong bond. Let's take a closer look on the inside of the unit. All right guys, now we're here inside the unit. We're going to take a closer look at what makes us a little bit different from the competition, and what makes us actually vastly different is the fact that we use a mechanical fastening system to secure the polycarbonate to the frame with that 14 gauge powder coated steel. It makes for a nice rugged finish and really strong connection between the three. Now you're going to have two of the mechanical fasteners on either side at the base of the windshield. You have one at the lowest most portion of the windshield, and then you have one here at the top. Let's take a look, and we're going to break down why polycarbonate and especially the mechanical fastening system is better than anything you can buy on the market. All right guys, one thing I want to bring up before we close for the day is that everything that came on this unit, the seals around the upper and lower, the seal right here at that transition, your windshield wiper, all of that, you're going to be able to use with our design. Now, when we talk about the polycarbonate versus glass will break. It just will break. It's something that happens in operation and trailering. I've had a lot of phone calls where guys go, man, I was trailering this unit down the road, and when I got to the job site, my lower or my upper was busted out. What do I do? Well, we want you to replace it with polycarbonate. You won't have to worry about those things. You won't have to worry about downtime if you have this dual-sided scratch-resistant 1/2 inch polycarbonate in front of you. Now, when we talk about the method of attaching the polycarbonate to the frame, we're different than everybody else in this way. We use a mechanical fastening system, not the old-style polyurethane. That polyurethane in these applications has a tendency to come apart at one portion and then continue to peel apart. With our mechanical fastening system, you don't ever have to worry about this windshield coming detached from the frame. So if you'd like to know more about this, we'd love to talk to you here at the Perry Company. If you'd like to buy one of these, go to your local Kubota dealer and they'd love to help you. Thanks.